Hey there, welcome back to our channel, where we're all about helping you achieve your fitness goals. It's our mission to be your helping hand in this vast universe of health and wellness. We are committed to sharing detailed, science-backed insight and advice to help you get stronger, fitter, and healthier. Today we've got a thoroughly researched guide that we're going to unravel for you. It's not about another workout routine or an exercise maneuver, but something that forms the very foundation of fitness, and that is your diet. We're diving deep today into the unsung hero of your fitness journey, your diet. Your diet is the fuel your body needs to function optimally to repair and rebuild itself. It's what sustains your high-intensity workouts, and it's what replenishes your energy reserves. Yet, it's so easy to get it wrong, so easy to fall into traps that lead you astray from your goals. On our agenda today are the top diet mistakes that might just be sabotaging your efforts to shed that stubborn fat and gain some serious muscle. We've seen many fitness enthusiasts who've been exercising religiously, but still struggle to see significant progress. They've been putting in the hours at the gym, pumping iron, sweating buckets, but the mirror doesn't reflect their hard work. They feel stuck, frustrated, ready to throw in the towel. If this sounds like you, don't worry, you're not alone. In fact, you're in the majority. Most people focus solely on their exercise routine, overlooking the critical role that diet plays. But it's important to remember that fitness is a balanced equation between your workout routine and your diet. Neglecting one over the other can lead to imbalance, hindering your progress. Therefore, it might not be your workout routine that's to blame, it could be your diet. Improper diet is the hidden culprit behind many failed fitness journeys. Whether it's skipping meals, not eating enough protein, consuming too many processed foods, or downing excessive energy drinks, they all can cripple your fitness goals and hamper your progress. These are the blind spots in your fitness journey that we want to bring light. As we move forward, we'll be decoding the 5 worst diet mistakes you need to avoid for optimal fat loss and muscle gains. We'll be talking about things that you may have never considered as a problem, things that might be sabotaging your progress without you even realizing it. These are the game changers, the turnaround points in your fitness journey. So gear up, stay focused, and let's dive into it. Stick around as we uncover the 5 worst diet mistakes you need to avoid for optimal fat loss and muscle gains. Alright, let's kick things off with mistake number 1. Skipping meals. Now, I know, we've all been there at some point in our lives where the hustle and bustle of our daily routine make it seemingly impossible to grab a proper meal. It's all too easy to fall into the trap of believing that skipping a meal here and there won't really make much of a difference, right? But here's a food for thought. It can actually be your biggest stumbling block on the path towards meeting your fitness goals. Picture this. The human body is a machine. A complex, highly efficient machine that needs a constant supply of fuel to run smoothly. When you skip meals, you're essentially depriving your body of the vital nutrients it needs to function optimally. The body requires a range of nutrients, your metabolism working at its best. These nutrients include proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, all of which are essential in fueling those high-energy, intense workouts. Without a steady influx of these nutrients, your body starts to burn muscle for energy instead of fat, leading to muscle loss. What's more, skipping meals can negatively affect your metabolism, the process your body uses to convert food into energy. Your metabolism is like the engine of your car. It needs fuel to run and keep going. When you deprive it of this fuel, it starts to slow down. A slower metabolism means your body burns fewer calories at rest and during activity, making it harder to lose weight and burn fat. Moreover, skipping meals is not only detrimental to your physical health, but can also have adverse effects on your mental well-being. It can lead to mood swings, a lack of concentration, and can even impact your productivity at work or school. So, it becomes clear that consistent balanced nutrition is key to maintaining your energy levels, supporting muscle growth, and achieving your fitness goals. Don't forget, every meal counts. Even if your day is packed with meetings or errands, always make time for proper nutrition. By no means am I saying that you need to be eating constantly throughout the day, but rather, maintaining a consistent eating schedule and ensuring your body is getting the necessary nutrients at the right times to support your physical activity. Remember, fitness is not just about what you do in the gym, but also what you put into your body. Your diet plays an integral role in your fitness journey. Skipping meals can actually lead to muscle loss and slow down your metabolism, making it even harder to burn fat. So make sure you're fueling your body consistently throughout the day. Next up, we've got mistake number 2, not eating enough protein. This is a common error, but it's also one that's easily rectified. Protein, as you may or may not know, is an essential macronutrient. It's as vital to your body as water or oxygen. This is not an exaggeration, but a mere scientific fact. Now, why is it such an integral part of our diet? Well, protein is like the building blocks for your muscles. It plays a crucial role in the development and maintenance of muscle mass. Think of your muscles as a wall. Each brick in that wall represents a protein. Without enough bricks, the wall is weak and could easily crumble. Similarly, without sufficient protein, your muscles won't be able to repair themselves. Let alone, this is particularly important after a punishing session at the gym or a grueling run. After these types of vigorous activities, your muscles tear and break down. It's the process of repairing these tears that leads to muscle growth. And what facilitates this process? Yes, you're right, it's protein. But for some reason, many of us don't consume enough of it. We might focus on carbohydrates for energy or fats for their satiating effect, but we overlook the importance of protein. That's a significant mistake, and it's one that could hinder progress. Now, when we talk about protein, we're not suggesting you start eating steaks for every meal. There's a difference between protein and lean protein. The latter is what we want to focus on. Lean proteins are typically lower in unhealthy fats and higher in beneficial nutrients, making them a much healthier choice. So, what are some examples of lean protein? Think chicken breast, it's lean and packed with protein. Fish, particularly oily ones like salmon, are not only rich in protein but also provide a significant amount of omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your heart health. Tofu, which is often overlooked, is a fantastic source of plant-based protein. And if you find yourself in a situation where you can't get a good protein-rich meal, a protein shake can be a good substitute. Remember, your muscles are like a car. Just as needs fuel to run, your muscles need protein to grow and repair. Don't shortchange them. Feed them with the right amount of protein, and they'll serve you well for years to come. Your muscles will thank you for it. Now, on to mistake number 3, overdoing it on processed foods. It's no secret that in today's fast-paced, convenience-driven society, processed foods have become a staple in many of our diets. They're there in our kitchens, our office pantries, even on the go at gas stations and convenience stores. It's so common, and I understand why. We've all been there. You're strapped for you're hungry, and you reach for the closest thing that promises to quell your hunger and deliver a burst of energy. And yes, processed foods with their carefully engineered flavors and textures are undeniably tasty. They've been designed to be so. They're created in labs with scientists working tirelessly to find that perfect balance of salt, fat, and sugar that hits our taste buds just right. But let's change our perspective here. These foods, they're not just tasty. They're also incredibly high in fats. Unhealthy fats most of the time. Fats that our bodies struggle to break down process. Fats that end up being stored in our bodies, leading to weight gain and other health problems. And that's not all. Processed foods are also notorious for their high sugar content. Sugars that our bodies don't need, and that are often converted into fat. Sugars that send our blood glucose levels skyrocketing, only to crash and lead to that all-too-familiar energy slump. Then there's the additives. Oh, the additives. From artificial colors to preservatives to flavor enhancers, processed foods are a veritable cocktail of chemicals. Chemicals that our bodies are not meant to ingest. Chemicals that, over time, can wreak havoc on our health and our weight loss efforts. To remedy this, opt for a different path. A path that leads to whole, nutrient-dense foods. Foods that are full of vitamins, minerals, nutrients that our bodies actually need. Foods that nourish us rather than simply filling us up. Foods that support our body's natural functions rather than hindering them. Foods that support our fitness goals rather than sabotaging them. And so, consider this the next time you find yourself reaching for that pre-packaged snack or microwavable meal. Remember, it's not just about convenience, it's about your health, your well-being, and your fitness journey. Instead, opt for whole, nutrient-dense foods that will nourish your body and support your goals. Mistake number 4 might surprise you: not drinking enough water. Yep, staying hydrated is key, folks. Not only is water crucial for your overall health, but it can also help with weight loss. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses a day to keep your body functioning at its best. Trust me, your muscles will thank you for it during those intense workouts. Last but not least, we've got mistake number 5, ignoring portion sizes. Even healthy foods can lead to weight gain if you're eating too much of them. Pay attention to your portions and listen to your body's hunger cues. It's all about finding that balance and fueling your body just right. Remember, consistency is key. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to level up your fitness game. Until next time, keep pushing, keep grinding, and I'll see you in the next video.